Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, it is so great to have you. I'm Antoinette, a New Zealander living in the beautiful wine region of Lower Franconia, Germany. When I first moved from New Zealand to Germany, I would pack for holidays completely differently to how I pack now. I was definitely what I would call an overpacker. Packing for holidays actually felt quite overwhelming and stressful for me. I was completely unorganized. I would end up just packing so much and hardly using any of it. No matter how much I packed, I would always end up having this feeling of, oh my goodness, I've forgotten something. Every single time. Since living in Germany, I have noticed that many Germans have a much more practical way of packing. Over the years, I have picked up a lot of these German packing habits or hacks, and oh my goodness, this is like a game changer when it comes to packing. I'm going to share some of these really genius German packing hacks that I've learnt over the years. This video is in collaboration with BAGSMART, a brand that is very popular here in Europe. But if you are not familiar with BAGSMART, let me tell you a little bit about them. BAGSMART is a travel and lifestyle gear brand known for designing functional, stylish, high-quality bags and organization accessories. Founded by frequent travelers tired of messy suitcases, BAGSMART specializes in products that help travelers pack efficiently. BAGSMART recently sent me their Blast travel backpack, their Blast roller backpack, and some of their packing cubes, and I'm genuinely impressed by their quality and design. Something Germans really value is comfort, practicality, and quality, and BAGSMART ticks all of these boxes. So I'm going to jump into a very smart German packing hack that I have learned since living in Germany. This hack is to plan your outfits before you pack. I will do this in a capsule wardrobe style where I will pack items that I can mix and match and everything looks good together. And so I'm not stressing about what I have to wear. You may be thinking, this is so obvious, like a no-brainer. But for me, it wasn't a no-brainer. It's not like I have to wear what I have organized for Monday and that is that. I have packed items that all look really good together. I do have that little bit of flexibility because I can just grab any top and know that it matches with any skirt or shorts. And any pair of sandals I pack will go with every outfit. And so it does take a little bit of initial planning, but it is so worth it and so much less stressful when you are actually on holiday because you don't have to be overwhelmed with a million different items. So using this capsule wardrobe method means fewer clothes and less weight with your luggage. These BAGSMART packing cubes are actually a game changer. They make this whole concept so much easier. I can separate tops, bottoms, underwear, swimwear, workout clothes. Everything stays organized instead of just becoming one giant pile by the end of the trip. Okay, so another really smart German packing hack is for when you are flying, when you are traveling on an airplane. This hack is to just bring carry-on luggage. You're probably thinking, how can I pack just carry-on luggage for 2 weeks? That's impossible. It's not going to be enough. But let me tell you, it will be enough if you pack in a smart German way. One thing that really surprised me when I first moved to Germany was just how easy it is to book a very inexpensive last-minute flight. The only catch with this is that usually you can only bring carry-on luggage. But this is actually an advantage because it makes your holiday so much less stressful when you just have a small suitcase and maybe a backpack. Both the BAGSMART Blast backpack and the Blast roller backpack are designed to fit within airline carry-on limits, making them ideal for those shorter European trips. Also, sometimes you can actually get insanely cheap last-minute deals where a ticket may cost something like 20, 30 euros return to, say, Greece. The only catch is that you can only bring a backpack that can fit under your seat. You don't want to turn down an amazing opportunity like this just because of luggage allowance. This is why investing in a really great backpack like the BAGSMART Blast travel backpack is a great idea. It is designed to fit under your seat, and it looks like a regular backpack. But I was really surprised to learn just how much can fit into this backpack. This can double as a small suitcase. I could pack for a long weekend, maybe even 5 days. What I'm trying to say is this backpack is basically all you need for a long weekend trip, and you're going to save a lot of money with flight tickets if you can manage to just travel with this backpack. Most of the time, if your ticket just allows you to bring on carry-on luggage and no check-in luggage, you can get away with just bringing a small suitcase and a backpack. So you can easily travel for a couple of weeks with just your carry-on luggage if you pack smartly. If you're taking a longer trip away, longer than a weekend, like 1 or 2 weeks, and you prefer rolling your luggage, then the Blast Roller Backpack is really cool and super clever. What makes it different is that it's basically 3 bags in one. You can roll it like a suitcase, wear it as a backpack, or just simply carry it by its handles. I think that's such a practical idea because not every part of a journey suits rolling luggage. This pack doesn't look big, but oh my goodness, it fits so much in here, honestly. You can easily go away for 1 to 2 weeks and you are covered. There are so many different compartments. Everything is kept safe and secure, and it's honestly the perfect suitcase in my opinion. Another German packing hack I have learned is to make sure you have all of your valuables and essential items close and on you at all times. So I have learned the hard way, never pack any of your valuables in your check-in luggage. You guys may remember on my last trip to New Zealand, I lost my luggage on the way back, and I had packed some pretty valuable items in that luggage. I did end up getting everything back eventually, but that was just by pure luck. So many Germans who watched that video basically had no sympathy for me because it was just an absolute no-brainer for them to just not pack valuable items in your check-in luggage. So just in my backpack, I can put my passport, phone charger, power bank, whatever is valuable to me. And these can all fit in the front pockets. They're really handy because everything I need during the trip is easy to grab without opening up my suitcase, especially if I'm traveling by train. Okay, so last but not least, probably one of the most important German packing hacks for me is to choose practical, high quality luggage. Since living in Germany, I have learned that practicality, comfort, and quality are all just so important in so many aspects of your life, and travel and packing is no exception. Here in Germany, you're walking over really bumpy cobblestones, you are lifting luggage onto trains, running through airports. You need some really good, practical, high quality luggage. Honestly, living in Germany has completely changed the way I pack for my holidays. I travel lighter, I'm more organized, and I actually enjoy packing now instead of stressing and finding it completely overwhelming. Also, I'd love to hear from you. If you are German and you're watching this video, are all of these travel hacks just complete no-brainers for you? Are these things that you have always done? Because these were definitely not things that came naturally for me. I have slowly learned some of these hacks and how to pack more efficiently like a German since living in Germany. I also wanted to give a huge thanks to BAGSMART for kindly partnering with me in this video today. I've linked all the BAGSMART items I have featured in this video down in my video description if you'd like to check them out. So I have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. If you have not already subscribed to my channel and you enjoy my content, then I would love you to consider subscribing. That would mean so much to me. Feel free to connect with me on Instagram, and I will see you again really soon. Bye.